Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
1. Simple future tense. Used to talk about future actions, decisions, predictions, or promises. Structure: subject plus will plus base verb. 2. Future continuous tense. Used to describe an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Structure: subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. 3. Future perfect tense. Used to describe an action that will be completed before a certain future time or event. Structure: subject plus will have plus past participle. 4. Future perfect continuous tense. Used to focus on the duration of an action that will continue up until a future time. Structure: subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing. Now let's look at the examples. Work: I will work tomorrow. I will be working this time tomorrow. I will have worked by Friday. I will have been working for 3 days by the weekend. Study: she will study tonight. She will be studying at 8 p.m. She will have studied before the test. She will have been studying for 2 hours by 9 p.m. Travel: we will travel to China next summer. We will be traveling to China in June. We will have arrived in China by Sunday. We will have been traveling for 14 hours by then. Cook: he will cook later. He will be cooking at 7 p.m. He will have cooked before we arrive. He will have been cooking for an hour by then. Watch: I will watch a movie tonight. I will be watching a movie at 10 p.m. I will have watched the movie before you come. I will have been watching movies for 3 hours by midnight. Read: she will read a new book this weekend. She will be reading tomorrow afternoon. She will have read 5 chapters by Monday. She will have been reading for 2 days by then. Clean: they will clean the house tomorrow. They will be cleaning all morning. They will have cleaned before guests arrive. They will have been cleaning for 4 hours by noon. Finish. I will finish my homework tonight. I will be finishing my homework at 9 p.m. I will have finished it by bedtime. I will have been finishing homework for 3 hours by then. Attend. He will attend the meeting tomorrow. He will be attending the meeting at 10 a.m. He will have attended before lunch. He will have been attending meetings all morning. Paint. We will paint the room next week. We will be painting on Saturday. We will have painted by Sunday. We will have been painting for hours by the time you arrive. Exercise. She will exercise in the morning. She will be exercising at 6 a.m. She will have exercised before breakfast. She will have been exercising for 30 minutes by 6:30. Write. I will write the report this evening. I will be writing it after dinner. I will have written it before the deadline. I will have been writing for hours by midnight. Shop. We will shop tomorrow. We will be shopping in the afternoon. We will have shopped by 5 p.m. We will have been shopping for 3 hours by then. Visit. I will visit Grandma next weekend. I will be visiting her on Saturday. I will have visited her before Sunday. I will have been visiting for 2 hours by dinner time. Sleep. He will sleep early tonight. He will be sleeping at 11 p.m. He will have slept 8 hours by morning. He will have been sleeping for 7 hours by 6 a.m. Drive. She will drive to work tomorrow. She will be driving at 8 a.m. She will have arrived by 9. She will have been driving for 45 minutes by then. Send. I will send the emails today. I will be sending emails this afternoon. I will have sent all emails by 5 p.m. I will have been sending emails for 2 hours by then. Learn. I will learn English soon. I will be learning English this semester. I will have learned English by next year. I will have been learning English for 6 months by January. Take. He will take his medicine tonight. He will be taking it after dinner. He will have taken all doses by tomorrow. He will have been taking the medicine for 5 days by then.